The most important thing is to have the right product. And a lot of marketing people are not involved when that happens. Sometimes products are designed by engineers who don't know how to research customers. But the most important thing when you launch a product is that you have a product that is better than the competition to a certain group of people or companies. It may be B2B as well. And that process of getting that right is the most important thing in marketing. Once you have done that, the relationship part of marketing, to get people to know it and try it, is much more easy. Marketing and advertising is the same. That is the biggest lie on earth.
Why?
Yeah, because it's about product. People don't buy advertising, they buy products.